and welcome to TRP Today. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Matt.
So, Matt, if a vehicle is purging air every 30 seconds or just having issues building up air in general, what's the first thing you think of?
The air dryer assembly.
Exactly.
Do I win anything for the correct answer?
Yes, you get to tell us everything there is to know about the TRP Air Dryer Assembly.
The TRP AD2001 Air Dryer Assembly, proven to remove water, moisture, vapor, or any contaminants before entering the vehicle's air brake system. Removing the water gives your air brake system a longer lifespan and prevents the brake lines from freezing, which in turn decreases maintenance costs.
Also, the AD2001 is tested extensively to ensure it will perform to 1 million cycles, providing longevity and reliability.
And that's our show for today.
Thanks for watching.
For more information on TRP parts and ordering,
Please visit trpparts.com.